Picture yourself in the 2021 BMW X2. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Let your rebellious side show with style in this sporty, aggressive X2, the daring sport utility vehicle that puts you out in front ahead of the curve. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: wireless charging station, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, navigation system, heated front seat, heated mirrors, power liftgate. Sleek and stylish like a coupe, but rugged and rowdy like the rebel it is. The X2.